The unboxing we start with my trustworthy Coast Recon 1 in CPS PD1. As usual, BangGood always does a great job in making sure that your package comes in good condition. As you can see here, I have my Astrolux MF02 with XHP 35 high meters. The packaging is like simple, but it has a certain effect. I like the shiny finish of the light reproduction on top of the box. Everything is still sealed, obviously. I always like when flashlights come in their pouches. It is something I really value, because a pouch means that you can carry the light more comfortably and that you can also protect it while you're carrying. Thus, you will carry and use your light more. You have the manual, the accessories. This is the lanyard/sling silica package, and finally, gotta say, looks throwy, looks big. The feel is substantial in the hand. They did a great job making sure you could always find the switch. They did a very big and intuitive milling around the switch. Even if you press the switch like sideways, you got a nice click. Light stands it. I got a neutral emitter, of course. Forbidden, reverse the battery. Warning, plus minus. Well, I think it's pretty much intuitive where you should put the batteries facing, like minus at the springs, positive at the poles. You have a battery protection against polarity reversion, but it only works with button top batteries, sorry. I can tell you by the construction that the battery carrier can go in both ways without any problem. You got a nice spring here for the contact. As far as I can say, guys, since I am only holding this light for the first time, the build is very nice. I like the black matte anodization that on my sample is flawless. I like a lot the tripod screw, which is placed in the middle of the light, which means that you are more able to incline the light without making the tripod fall. I can see some red glare on the glass, which means there is an AR treatment. I like the smooth bezel. There are some super tiny like scratches, like sign of elaboration of milling on some places, but overall definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. This is another piece of the sling, because this is another smart thing. When you have a very big light, it will tire a lot your hand when you hold it for a long period of time, especially if you have to tilt it. So if you can actually attach the light to a sling, one piece here, the other here, or maybe around the head, and you could like put the weight of the light on your shoulder, you can enjoy your light much longer. Let's see the holster. Okay, only belt through loops. Yeah. No molle compatible, but okay. Okay. Your plastic D-ring on top. Astrolux. So that's it for the moment for the Astrolux MF02.